Hello and welcome back to Let's Explains. Today we have this simple math question, but it will be tricky. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have our math problem 15 divided by 5 times 3 parentheses 4 divided by 2. So we will use here order operation, PEMDAS, and we have this parenthesis part first. P stand for parenthesis, and we can see 4 divided by 2. This will give result here 2. So we will write 15 divided by 5 times 3 times 2. Now, as we can see, like all operations are division and multiplication, and as we know, multiplication and division are the same title, and in that case, we have to solve left to right. So we will use left to right method, and first we have to solve this division part, which is 15 divided by 5, and this will give result here 3. So we can write 3 times 2. This part will be repeated here, and again we will do 3 times 3 will equal to 9 times 2, and 9 times 2 will give result here 18, which is the right answer for the first question. And moving to the next, we have 12 plus root over 64 minus 4 divided by 2 parenthesis 2. So we can simplify. Root over 64 is nothing but 8, and 2 parenthesis 2 is nothing but 4 times 2. So we can write in a simple form here. Let's use it. 12 plus 8 minus 4 divided by 2 times 2. Now we will do left to right operations there. Same concept. 12 plus 8 minus 4 divided by 2 will give result at 2 times 2. 12 plus 8, 2 times 2 will give result at 4. And we will do in the next step, we will do left to right operations. And first we have to add this. 12 plus 8 will give result at 20 minus 4, and 20 minus 4 will be 16. So right answer is 16 for the second question. And if you are math lover, then subscribe us for more math videos. Thanks for watching.